This blunt that I'm smoking on, I'm feeling like Stephen Hawking. Cause my body cannot move, and my brain I cannot stop it. No, I do not go to college, but got a pen inside my pocket. And I call that shit Miss Frizzle, cause it got me up on rockets. Oh no, no, where are you? I'll go right now, I'll call you back some way, somehow. Some way, somehow. Oh no, no, where are you? Go right now, I'll call you back some way, somehow.